Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi Mark, this is Robbie Cabral, inventor, CEO, and founder of Benjilock, and we're here at CES 2020. And Benjilock is the world's first traditional padlock with fingerprint technology, which means that you can open it with your fingerprint, but also with a set of traditional keys. Just very simple, still traditional, stores up to 10 fingerprints, battery lasts you up to a year on a single charge. Ideal for the gym, college, school, on the go. But on top of that, the cool thing is that after going on Shark Tank and doing a partnership with Kevin O'Leary, we licensed the technology to Hampton products, which are known for making all the Brinks padlocks. So now they're taking the same technology and bringing it, for example, to the travel world, which is TSA approved. Stores up to 5 fingerprints, and the only one that has the key is TSA. So it's kind of cool to see how the technology is evolving. And I'll show you a little bit this way. We also have, well, you know what, before that, we'll show you the bike lock. So basically, same technology. You can open it with the ease of your fingertips, just like that. But also with a traditional key at the bottom. Heavy duty, if you're a biker, we have a longer shackle, smaller shackle, and upcoming packaging for it. So very nice. We're definitely taking this into another level now. But to tell you the truth, one of the most exciting things at the show has been the drawer lock. Same technology, the BenjiLocks fingerprint drawer lock. Fingerprint, open. Then you have your traditional key. I think it's gonna be great, especially for parents at home. Anything that you need to store, maybe valuables or things of that nature. I think it's gonna be something that it's gonna add some stylish to it. So, and I'll show you now one of the products that I'm very proud of is the 2020 CES Innovation Award of the Fingerprint Door Lock. It's a whole collection now because in partnership with Hampton Products and Brinks, same technology. You can open it with the ease of your fingerprint, but also with a set of traditional keys and a touch sensor code. And then thanks to their partnership as well, then they bring you the value of adding different handles like the Brinks push, pull, rotate. And as you see on this one, same thing. You open it like that, like this, and it's the same technology as the other one. The beauty of this is that all the BenjiLock products here are not connected. My goal was always to kind of keep it simple, easy to use, and that's where we're at right now. So very exciting to show you the products, and keep enjoying CES 2020.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.